Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to solve this question. Given if sine theta plus cos theta is equals to 5 by 4, then find sine raised to the power 3 theta plus cos raised to the power 3 theta will be okay. So it is asking us to find the sum of cube of sine and cos. See, we know one formula for sum of cubes. It is a cube plus b cube. If you will try to do it manually, it will take more time, so use the formula. So a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. This is the formula. I hope you remember it. Now we will use same formula here. It is given sine theta, sine cube theta plus cos cube theta. See what we get. So A is sine theta, B is cos theta. Now put these value into this formula. A is sine theta and B is cos theta. A is sine theta, but we have to do square of it. So it becomes sine square theta minus A is sine theta, B is cos theta plus B is cos theta, but you have to do square of it. Now observe here, we get sine square theta plus cos square theta. Here sine square plus cos square theta, and we know sine square theta. I am writing here, this is identity. It is equals to the value 1. So I will replace this 2 value by 1. Now new formula becomes sine raised to the power 3 theta cos cube theta is equals to sine theta plus cos theta 1 minus sine theta cos theta. Okay, now focus here. This value is already given. Okay, it is given here, but we don't know the product of sine theta and cos theta, and we have to find it. Let's see how we can find it. Here it is given sine theta plus cos theta. If we make square on both sides, see, you can see here, if you make square on both sides, you will get sine square theta plus cos square theta into 2 sine theta cos theta. Sine square cos theta is sine square plus sine square theta plus cos square theta will be replaced by 1. We are only left with sine theta cos theta. Okay, so we will get sine theta into cos theta by squaring. Now I am writing here sine theta plus cos theta is equals to 5 over 4. Make square on both sides. So it will become sine theta plus cos theta whole square and 5 over 4 whole square. So you know how to expand a plus b square. It is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square, a is sine, b is cos. I am writing formula here so that you can put easily. A plus b square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a is sine, so sine square theta plus b is cos, cos square theta plus 2 sine theta cos theta. Now do the square of right side also. and you have to do square of both numbers. Do the square of 5, it is 25, and square of 4 is 16. Again, see one thing here, sine square cos square theta. I already written here, it is 1. It is 1 plus 2 sine theta cos theta is equals to 25 over 16. Now I will transfer 1 to the right side. It becomes 2 sine theta minus 1. Okay, it is fraction. It is simple to subtract. First take 1 in the denominator of 1. Now you have to make the common denominator. So to make common denominator, you have to multiply and divide by 16. Okay, everyone should do like this. Now they have common denominator. Then so we can subtract their numerator. So 16 is the common denominator, and 25 minus 1 into 16 is 16. You will get 2 sine theta cos theta is equals to 9 over 16. For our formula, we need only sine theta into cos theta. So divide both side by 2 also. When you divide both side by 2, you will get sine theta cos theta. Okay, divide carefully here. I see most of them do mistake here. Divide like this, 1 over 2, so that you can avoid the mistake while dividing in fractions. So 2 will cancel here. 9 times 1 is 9, and 16 times 2 is 32. Okay, we got a product of sin theta and cos theta. We will put this value back to the expression. Okay. Okay, I will pull back the expression here. What was the expression? Sine cube plus cos theta is equal to sine plus cos 1 minus sine theta cos theta. I will write again here. It was, I am writing here, sine cube plus cos cube theta was sine theta plus cos theta, right? And 1 minus sine theta cos theta. This is the formula we created above. Now put this value. Sine theta plus cos theta already given. It is 5 by 4. 1 minus sine theta into cos theta. We calculated here. It is 9 over 32. Now simplify it. Take 1 and multiply and divide by 32. Right? It becomes, I am writing here, 5 over 4. It now denominators are 32. So 32 times 1 is 32 minus 9. And 5 over 4, 32 minus 9 is 23. Now multiply them. 5 times 23 is, I think, 115. And 4 times 32, it is 812. That's the answer. That's the final answer. I hope you get it. It was so simple. Just you have to see what is being asked in the question and how to find the unknown values from which expression. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends, and you can also subscribe this channel if you like our content. For this video, this is all. Thank you for watching it. We will meet again in the next lecture with the next exciting question.